We are here today in Carbondale, Colorado at a project under construction right here on the Roaring Fork River. It's a really special project designed by Zone 4 Architects out of Aspen. We're talking about Lunawood today. We did Lunawood for the siding and interior and exterior ceilings and soffits. Lunawood is really a great product for this environment. We're here in Colorado. It has high UV. Obviously, it has high temperature swings, snow during the winter, and can be really hot during the summer. Lunawood is a Nordic spruce grown in Finland. It's a thermally modified wood, meaning it uses heat and steam to make it very rot resistant and stable. But the thermal modification process makes it a 30+ year wood and really suitable for harsh environments. Most thermally modified products, including Lunawood, reaches a moisture content of 5 or 6%, which is a very low moisture content for wood. On this project, we did 2 different finishes with the Lunawood. The natural Lunawood is a dark brown, and that dark brown is achieved through the thermal modification process. The baking process caramelizes the natural sugars in the wood and darkens the wood from its original state. We did the natural Lunawood on the ceilings and soffits, and we did one of our pre-finished products called Lukenbach on the wood siding, which is a 2-tone gray product. The contrast is really great between these 2 colors, the dark brown ceilings and the lighter gray siding color. We coat most of our woods with a 2-coat exterior finish, really creating a high-performing product that's durable and can withstand the elements, especially in harsh environments like Colorado. The Lukenbach starts with a light gray base coat, and then we do a darker gray top coat on top of it, really creating a reclaimed or almost driftwood-like weathered look on the wood. Not only is it a nice finish that blends in with the natural environment, but it's also a finish that will age well. Gray finish woods will always age a little more gracefully than darker stains or natural lighter tone woods. This home utilized some really unique details with this Lunawood product. Along the entryway, they did a vertical siding, which looks really good contrasted against the horizontal siding that you see throughout most of the house. Another detail I wanted to mention was the profile of the wood. They utilized a shiplap profile, face fastened with a stainless steel screw with a gray painted head. This painted head really blends in with the wood siding, and from a distance, you really can't even see the fasteners exposed. With this shiplap profile, if a board were to ever get damaged or need replacement, you could back out this screw and easily pop out the board and replace with a new one without tearing out any of the boards next to that board. So this project truly embodies biophilic design. It uses a ton of natural materials throughout the interior and exterior of the house. It also has a fair amount of natural lighting connecting the house to the surrounding environment.